Okay, so let's explore this e-ticketing platform properly. So to log in, you can log in actually to view your previous results and some other resources available for you here. So you go to login, enter your matric number or that school email. Then your password should be default in small letters. Default in small letters. That should be your password. So when you first submit, when you first click this login, it should ask you to change your password. Then you enter a new password. Current password should be default. Type the current password. You should see your name at the top right here. Current password, just like the eLearn portal. Current password DEFAULT in small letter. Then the new password is the one you would like to use to access this platform all the time. It should be personal, like very personal. Right, so we submit to change the password. It is good. Password reset successfully. You get that? So here you would see result statement. Let's assume look at this. I'll just keep it minimal. At this point, this person already has CGPA of 3.1. TCE, total credits earned, 100. Credits carried, 115. So this person failed a few courses, I guess, or carried over a few courses. Is in 400 level though, and currently is in second class. The grade has been calculated, and here it is, BSc Physics Education. So you can export it as PDF or print it immediately from here. In this case, I'll be exporting as PDF so that you can view it over and over again. I would like to save it as PDF. I can also use print button, and when it gets to the print dialog box, I will use what do we call it? Chrome Print. Change it to PDF, or Microsoft Print. Change it to PDF and save. When you say print at this point, you are simply saving it. Okay, so at this point it says this status grade point this. Let me turn it to landscape and see if it will contain more details. Yes, it did contain more details. Landscape. Yeah, I think, okay, it contained this badge down. Okay, save it as statement. Save it as statement of results. Statement of result. So you can go down to see, look at the grading statistics of systems. You can see that now has improved a lot. Now has improved a lot. Person scored 13 A's, 16 B's, 10 C's, 7 D's, 3 E, and 6 F. So that 6 carryovers, which made up that 15 credit unit here, the 15 credit unit here. And you see that. And here's the results. 4 points, what you earned. Yeah, B is 4, A is 5. We all know how this works. It's already calculated. Whew, this is a miracle, like I said in my post to the groups. It's a miracle. It's a miracle. So outstanding courses. So outstanding courses, here are this person's outstanding courses. Is expected to rewrite these courses. Okay, in this case, any course you see here must be retaken. You will have to write them all. So here are the courses outstanding for this person to become a graduate. Here are outstanding courses. You don't need anybody to post anything in any group to tell you this is what you are supposed to do. The answers to your questions are here. These are the remaining courses for this person to complete his or her studies. So that's it. If you come down here, minimum credit required, it says 120. Total credit earned is 100. This person already has 100. So it's remaining at least 20 so that the person is literally a graduate. Course is taken 59. Course is passed 49. Course is failed 6. So this contains a whole lot of details. Contains a lot of details. So you will have to retake all these courses. So that last semester, after publishing the graduation list, some people were called back that they will have to retake some courses, outstanding courses. So that's why all these are required. Even though this person has 120 as the minimum credit required, you will have to clear these courses still. They are compulsory. You can see. So that's it. Let's go. You could click home. This is a where you can access your tickets. Just click on this link if you want to reopen this ticket, if you want to know more about what this ticket has in it. You want to read the content of the ticket. You click on this reference ID and it will open the entire message, the real message this person sent. These are the people that resolved. The ones that are closed. The ones that are closed are resolved. Are issues that has been resolved. So you send to different departments. Okay. So there is a small arrow here. You click on that, you go to profile and it shows you your profile. That's it. It's not, and you can see that email. You are here as a student. So at this point, you don't have much. You can update your email here. At this point, you don't have much to do here, actually. It's just to check your previous results. That's basically what you do.